Welcome. This is the second lesson from this module titled How to Create a Mobile Application Without Coding and Get Paid with Dollars. So that is the first module. The first module in this course is all about how to create a mobile application and how to launch it in the Google Play Store or the App Marketplace or App Stores. The second module is going to center on web development with WordPress. This is because you will need it in the later run of this project. You will need to know how to integrate your mobile application with your website, the website of your business. So that is the reason why I try to include web development. Although it is not programming, you need to understand that. So we are going to do that with WordPress, the most popular content management system. So without wasting our time, I've tried to let us know some things during the introduction, and I've told you that we are going to use Mobincube. Mobincube, as you can see, this is the name, and their URL is mobincube.com. So we will use Mobincube to start developing the website, the application. And before we move on here, you can see something here. The money earned by the users is 2 point something million, 2.1 million naira, million dollar. Then the published application is 32,205 mobile application. Then the application download is 171,349,000. Then as you can see it moving now, that is exactly what is happening on their server. We are not wasting much our time on that, so I would like to start by creating the free account. On Mobincube, you can create account freely. You can develop your mobile application freely also. Design it to your taste. Then you are allowed to publish it to any app store without paying kobo. The shortcoming of this is that they will put their brand logo inside your application, and there is nothing you can do about that. Two, you will not be able to monetize it. You will not be able to monetize your app. That is, you will not be able to generate income through it. But okay, let me show you the pricing here. Let's wait and see the pricing. Yes, this is their subscription plan. For the free account now, you are given opportunity for the unlimited application, then unlimited space, then Firebase push and analytics. So, but since you know that one will not earn you money, then why wasting your time? So this is a year billing, monthly billing, and quarterly billing. So let us believe that you are going to subscribe for a year billing now. Then and that is 35,800 naira. 35,800 naira. And what are those things there? You see, unlimited app, unlimited space, Firebase push analytics, and 2,000 MAU. This is the most important. So the shortcoming of this plan now is that you when those who download your application or those who use your application within a month reach 2,000, so your app will no more earn you money again. So make money, remove Mobincube intro, then store optimization also. So that shows that for me, you can start with this free plan, then you start developing your application until you complete it, you design it to your taste, and you are ready to publish it. Then, as for me, I will advise you to purchase this plan so that you can remove Mobincube intro on your application. Let's see it now. Monthly billing. So for, let's say, $5 monthly. And in the middle of the month, if your user, that is the user here, MAU, gone up beyond this 2,000, you can easily prorate your user account. You add additional money, then, and it will give you this one. But the reason why I am explaining this to you is because that you don't need to waste money, because it's not the first day you publish your app in Google Play Store that thousands of people will be download it. You still need to do some additional work to make sure that people know about your app. It may take you 2 or 3 months before you'll be having up to 7,000, up to 17,000, 45,000, 100,000. By the time your app reach this level, then it must have been generate the income that you can use to do the subscription for this one. Should you understand now? So let's forget this and proceed. Now we want to create account, or may I log into one of my accounts on it now, then sign in. You see this shortcoming. Let me use Google login in case you have the same problem, because I think the problem is almost common. Right now we are in the development, app development and dashboard from Mobincube platform. We need to I want to close this, then close this one, so that I can go straight to what I want to do. So you see, these are the app I have created on this account. I have other app on other accounts, but for this one, so you see this one now is an ebook. It's an ebook. So let us now, you click on create a new account, then create new app. So let us call our app first app.